Good morning, students. Now let us start today the new chapter 13, surface area and volume. Now in this chapter we shall discuss about some formulae. First of all, today we are talking about the cube and cuboid. Now which figure is called cube? Cube means having length, breadth and height. All these three quantities are equal. Means chorus, chorus, right? Means having length, breadth and height are same. Okay. So here the lateral surface area of cube means only four sides it has. No bottom, no its upper side. Means the cube that other than bottom and top. So we call it lateral surface area. Means only four sides are there. You know that the length, breadth and height all are equal. So lateral surface area of cube is equal to 4, means it is 4 sides into L square. 4L square, that is the formula to find the lateral surface area of any cube. Now total surface area. Total means it includes bottom and top. Bottom and top. No doubt length, breadth and height all are equal in the cube. But the formula will change here. It includes 6 sides. 4 sides and 1 bottom and 1 top. Total 6 sides. So 6L square. The total surface area of cube is 6L square. So what is cube? How to define it? A cube means having length, breadth and height all are equal is called cube. So lateral surface, that is 4L square for the cube, and total surface area of cuboid, that is 6L square. So today you remember these two formulas. Now we talk about the cuboid. You have seen your compass, your textbook, all these are in cuboidal shape. Lunch box. So cuboid having length more compared to breadth. Here length, breadth and height are not equal. Remember one thing. Now lateral surface area of cuboid. Lateral surface means you know that without bottom and top, right? So here the lateral surface area of cuboid is 2 into height in bracket length plus breadth. First we add length and breadth, then multiplied by 2 into height. Now another formula for this is height into perimeter of the base. Base ka perimeter means length plus breadth, height. So here the perimeter of length of the base means all the four sides, the sum of all the four sides, to length, to breadth into height. Okay, so these two formulae can be applied for lateral surface area of cuboid. If directly perimeter is given and height is given, we apply this formula, and if only length, breadth and height is given, so we apply this formula. Okay, now same formula, that is same figure, cuboid. This is length, this is breadth and this is height. Now total surface area of the cuboid. Total surface area means it includes all the four sides, bottom and top, total 6 sides. So formula for to find the total surface area of the cuboid is 2 into in bracket LB means length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. So this formula we apply for total surface area of cuboid. So so today you remember all these 4 formulae. Tomorrow we shall start 13.1 exercise.